Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to an IVS sub school. This is Muhammad Emdadul, assistant teacher of mathematics, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Dear students, today I am going to conduct a math class of class 7. Our today's topic is exercise 6.2, question 20, 21. Okay, dear students, see the question. Question 20. Question 20 and 21. We have to find the difference. Two fractions are given. We have to find the difference. To find the difference, at first we have to do the LCM of the denominators. So to do the LCM of the denominators, the LCM of the denominators are here PQ and QR. So LCM will be PQR. Now we have to divide the LCM by each denominator. So if we divide by PQ, only R will be the quotient. So we have to multiply P plus Q by R, as we have to multiply the numerator by the quotient. Now we have to divide by QR. If we divide by QR, we will get P as quotient. So we have to multiply Q plus R by P. Now we can write here, multiply these two, we will get RP minus RP plus QR minus PQ minus PR or RP. Okay, P, Q, R. Now P, Q, R. This RP minus and this RP is plus. So these two vanishes. Here only QR minus PQ will remain. Now if we want to simplify, we have to take Q as common. If we take Q as common, we will get R minus P. So this will be P, Q, R. Now if we simplify, this Q and Q will vanishes. Only R minus P will be in the numerator and PR will be in the denominator. Okay, dear students, so this is our required difference. This is our required difference for question 20. So we can write answer R minus P divided by PR. Go to the next question. What is the next question? Next question is 2x divided by x square minus 4y square. To do the LCM, here second fraction is x by xy plus 2y square. To do the LCM of the denominators, we have to factorize the denominator at first. So we have numerator will remain same, x square minus 2y whole square we can write in this way. Then we can take y as common in the denominator, x plus 2y. Now we have to write the formula for this one. Using formula a square minus b square, we can write a plus b into a minus b. It means that 2x, x plus 2y into x minus 2y, and 2x will be in the numerator and this one will remain same. We can do more work here. So we have to do the LCM of the denominators now, this one and this one. To do the LCM, we can write here y is uncommon, but x plus 2y is common and x minus 2y is uncommon. We have to take all the factors which are common or uncommon. Okay, dear students, now if we divide by x plus 2y into x minus 2y, this 2 vanishes, only y will remain. So we can write 2x multiplied by y minus this minus I have written. Now y and x plus 2y will vanishes. This will be the quotient. So we have to multiply x minus 2y by x. So if we multiply, we will get 2x into y means 2xy. Minus, if we multiply these two, we will get minus x square, then minus and minus is plus 2xy. Here 2xy, 2xy. Denominator remains same, x plus 2y into x minus 2y. Now denominator remains same, so we can write the denominator here, y into x plus 2y into x minus 2y. Okay, dear students, now see here 2xy is positive, 2xy is positive. So if we add, we will get 4xy minus x square. Now see the numerator, here is x, here is also x square. So we can take x as common. If we take x as common, we will get 4y minus x, and here is y into, if we apply the formula a plus b into a minus b, we will get a square minus b square, means 4y square. Okay, dear students, this is our required difference for question 21. Dear students, question 19 is given as your homework. I hope you have understood our today's lecture. Today we have discussed just how to find the difference, This is simple question. Okay, dear students, do question 19 as your homework. Submit your homework on next Sunday. You know homework is important for your annual examination, as your city marks, diary marks and SBM marks will be given based on the performance of your homework. Keep practicing at home, abide by your parents, stay home, stay safe. See you again. Assalamu alaikum.